Hello everyone, and let's race into the James Russell's toy car review. And let's start our engine. And let's go. And let's race and explore to the James Russell's toy car review. Let's go. Guys, so I've got the Matchbox BMW M3 and the Tomica Mercedes-Benz 4850 Type 240 Schnabel trailer. Ooh, this one is a split truck, but let's open this first and let's review. Wait. Let's open. Wait. Ooh, yeah. Wait. I think that's enough. Wait, ooh, think I forget it. Let's remove this thing out. And some stickers too. I mean, no. I think some stickers too. Never mind for that. Oh, another one. What the? And together. Oh my god. This one is double? Oh my god. I never seen this. So impossible. Let's put them together. This is so impossible. And there you are. Now look at this. What is this kind of this truck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's remove, there's so many parts right here. And for this one, this one is both Mercedes truck. And can you see? Let's roll. This is really oh my god. Oh my god. I can feel it in my heart. It really explodes. What is this kind of Tomica? Why they split two trucks up? I think this better's too nice because the wheels are moving at the front. Oh my god. I thought the all wheels are moving. And what is this? Wait. Oh my god. I really love this. You just force and pull like a tug of war. I'm just kidding. And oh my god. This boat has, the wheels are really nice, but I just don't want, I'll just put the sticker. Meanwhile, I'll just put the sticker. This only 4, but the rest I will not put it. Only this one. Never mind. Probably. Excuse me. Oh. Wow. Really love this. Here's wobbly. Oh my god. They're twin. They could actually move, but you're forcing to pull and pull. I like that. But I'll just put the sticker. sticker removable? Never mind. The sticker got broke. Let's just reuse for that. Never mind, the sticker got broke. Wait for a moment. Oh my god, I can feel it. But next, oh my god. And for this one, the BMW 13. And let's open for that. Oh my god. Oh no. Oops, weird opening. First time and forever. Hard to open. Poof. And whoa, this one is hybrid. For this one, for the black one, I keep it inside my car collection, and I'll show you the next video. See you later. See you at the next video, car fans. Guys, I'm back at the part 2 video, and now let's review for this one. I'll review this boat. I'll just zoom for a bit there so it'll be clear. See. Okay, there. And for the two difference, this one is my first BMW. What's this? i3. And for the second one is the white, my favorite color. For difference is the color. And at the back, this one is, the trunk is black and this one is black. I really most like this because it has two-tone at the back. And there's a stripe right there. It's really a hybrid. Sometimes I really like hybrid because in future there's no more fuel anymore. It's hybrid and in futuristic car. And look at this. This one is, look. Wait. And there, the taillight detail looks like the same at the front. There's a line right here, and this one has no line because it's black. And for this one looks really nice. It has wipers at the back. It has a single one biggest wiper. I think it's two. I don't know. I think it's two. And for next, let's move this away too. For this one is a split truck. Don't know what this thing. Maybe it's a dock building or something like that. Oh my god. I can't review because this one is very long. And these two truck are two very split. And can you see it's moving, and said soda box. I think this one is, I don't know, I can understand. Never mind. I'll just, you can buy your four and the driver and your other side said, hey, this guy said, no, don't, never mind. And this one is a removable thing, but you can also remove right there and here. This one is nice, and this one is really confusing because the two trucks are really the same, you think. And there's a wheel right there below. It's just pretend wheel or something like that. Oh my god, I can take this long Tomica, the longest, the split truck. Oh my god, I'm out of control. Oops, oh, oops. Okay, just gonna display. Before I end this video, which one is you mostly like? That split truck or the BMW i3? See you later, car fans, and I almost forgot. Don't forget to like us and subscribe our videos. See you later, car fans. For everyone, thank you for the toy car review. And I will go now. And don't forget to like us and subscribe our videos.